he threw the head out in this area. Yes, it's on the it's on the ground.
This whole thing took place because they did not want to do right by you. God will fight this battle for you.
He just pulled his body out of his car.
We're calling you because you had applied for lunch with the mayor for the Night of the World Church. Your location has been submitted as a location to have a lunch with the mayor. Please give us a call so we can schedule a date. Again, the telephone number is
5113. Thanks. Talk to you soon.
Did you have it? Yeah, I did. I tried talking to them.
They have it just right now here?
Yes.
Shit.
Is that real? Or is that fake?
Looks real to me. Was he the only one in the vehicle? No, well, there's this body laying on the ground.
Yes, and he tossed the knife into the grass. He pulled what looks like a head with hair out of the body, out of the car, threw it on the ground, and then pulled his body out of the car.